What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. So firstly, open the TikTok app and when you see you may like video, tap the share arrow icon, then not interested, or long press the video, then select not interested. TikTok will show fewer similar videos over time. Also, you can go to Profile, Settings and Privacy, then Personalization and Data. Tap Clear Watch History and Clear Search History. This resets TikTok's recommendations to be less influenced by your past activity. And also, you can go to Profile, Settings and Privacy, then Content and Activity. Toggle Personalized Ads or Personalized Content to Off, because this will reduce algorithm-based suggestions in You May Like section. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.